Woohoo! I want to ride the horses. Woohoo! Yeah, wait for me. Woohoo! Here I come. Me too. Me too. Woohoo! I want to ride the horses. I do too, Owlette. Wait for me. Wait for me. I want to ride the horses too.
Wait, little earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. Before you can ride your ponies, you need to take care of them and give them a bath and give them some treats and pick up after them. Then you can ride them.
Okay. What's all that stuff we have to do? Oh, look at this. Let's see what's in here. What's this? I found a little, I think you pick up stuff with it. Look, here's a shovel. I'm gonna use the shovel too. There we go, look. Now I can pick up stuff. I think there's something right there you need to pick up, Owlette. Okay, I can do it. Let's take this little bucket with you. Boop. Let's open up the gate. Whoop, whoop. There, that's nice and open for you. Okay, here I go. Boop. There we go. I picked up after the horses. Now we need to give them baths and feed them. Good job, Owlette. Thanks for doing that. Yeah, Owlette, you're awesome. You're welcome, PJ Masks. Wow, that was fun. Bloop. Okay, here's our stuff to wash our ponies and give them treats. Pony, pony. Yeah, that's my pony. Woohoo! All right, we have some soap right here. Let's squirt it on her. Nice. Now I have a brush. Put the brush in my hand. Brush, 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 brush. Gotta brush my pony. Brush, 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 brush. There, my pony's all clean. Oh, here's a treat for you, pony. Here's an apple. Munch, 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 munch. Oh, look how happy your pony is for taking care of her. Now look. Woohoo! She'll let you ride her. Let's go. Woohoo! All right, looks like Owlette took care of her horse and got a ride around. Now you guys need to take care of your horses. Okay, I got you, horsey. Here you go. Now let's do some brushing. Brush, 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 brush. Oh yeah, you like being brushed behind your ear. Now let me get you a treat. How about this big carrot? Oh yay. Aw, now your horse is so happy you took care of her and she'll let you ride her. Woohoo! Okay, now I have to take care of my horse. Come here, horse. Oh, cute pony, you're so good. Let's give you a bath. Squirt, 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 squirt. There's all your soap. Oh, and here's your brush. Brush, 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 brush. Brush your bow and your hair. Brush, 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 brush. And let's give you a carrot too. Oh, she's so happy you took care of her, Gecko. There we go, Gecko got on. Woohoo, let's catch up with the other PJ Masks. Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo! This is such a fun horse ride. Woohoo! Yeah, wait for me. Woohoo! Here I come. Me too. Me too. Woohoo! 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 Woo! We have such good horses, but now we gotta give them some water, you guys. Here you go. Here's your watering trough.
Good job, PJ Masks. We always want to take care of our animals.
Yeah, I love my pony. Me too.
Good, PJ Masks. That was fun riding our ponies. And now, let's see what's going to happen next. Zim, zam, shabam. Woohoo, nice. Now let's fish all the green ones out.
Here we go. Come on. Oh, 4.
Look at this fun game we're going to play today. What? Except those aren't fish. How are we supposed to go fishing without fish? Well, let's get our fishing pole and let's try it. How are you going to pick up those fish? Maybe we need to turn it on? Is that helping? Can you pick them up now? Nope, definitely not working. Paw Patrol, do you need some help getting some real fish?
Yes, please. Can we please get some help getting some real fish to go fishing, please?
Well, just because you said please 3 times, I will help you. Let's see. Rocky, let's get you some green fish. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 green gumballs. Let's try to make those fish. Zim, zam, shabam. Woohoo, nice. Now let's fish all the green ones out.
Here we go. Rocky. Oh, missed it. Let's get it. This one. There we go. There's 1, 2. Another one. Oh, 3. And here we go. Come on. Oh, 4. We got 4 green fish for Rocky. Boop. All right, now, Marty.
Okay, who's next?
Me, please. Can we please give me some orange fish, please?
Okay, Zuma. Let's get you some orange fish. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 orange gumballs. So, here we go. Zim, zam, shabam. Woohoo! Look at all those orange fish. Let's go, Zuma.
Woohoo! Let's get all the orange fish. Here we go. Here's, 1, 2. Come on, come on. 3. And oh no, here's the last one. Let's get it. 4. There's all of our orange fish.
Okay, Chase, looks like you're next.
Yes, please. All the blue gumballs.
All right, Chase, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 blue gumballs. Here we go. Zim, zam, shabam. There are your blue fish, Chase. Now let's go fishing.
Wait, I want to go fishing with Rebel.
Okay, let's get some yellow fish too. There we go. Now let's get all the yellow and blue fish.
All right, let's get them all. Here we go. Here's a yellow one. That's 1 yellow. 2 yellow. There's 1 blue. 3 yellow. 2 blue. 3 blue. There, we got 4 blue and 4 yellow. Now look, we only have red gumballs left.
Let's turn those into fish. Zim, zam, shabam. Here you go, Marshall. Get 'em!
There we go. Let's get all the red fish. We have, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more, 5. There we go.
Okay, little earthlings, we got all of the fish and no more gumballs. So now that we're done with all these fish, let's see what's going to happen next.
Woohoo! We got 2 of them. Okay, let's try to come back a little farther and see if we can hit them. Woohoo! We did it!
Hi, little earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. And it looks like Romeo is up to no good. Let's watch.
Ha! Ha! The Paw Patrol are never gonna be able to get me up here. No way, sir. Ha! I'm just gonna wait here for them. Ha! Oh no! How are we going to get him from all the way up there? We can't climb. We don't have thumbs. Oh no! What are we going to do, Rocky? Let me think. We need to go practice our tennis ball shooting skills. Come on, Rocky. Oh, right here, look. Oh, I see, Chase. We need to practice. Yeah, let's practice, Rocky. Come on. Look, here's our tennis ball shooter, and these are our targets. As long as we can hit those targets, we'll be able to hit Romeo. All right, let's start really close. Woohoo, we got 2 of them. Okay, let's try to come back a little farther and see if we can hit them. Woohoo, we did it. Okay, let's try a little farther, way back here. You can't even see it. Whoa, we knocked down all 3 of them. You know what that means? We'll definitely be able to get Romeo up there. Then he won't be able to do anything bad to the town or all of our friends. Okay, let's go find him. All right, let's go, Chase. They're never going to get me up here. And now, haha, I have a sleeping Skye, so they won't be able to get me at all. Okay, Rocky, we're gonna have to shoot Romeo, but we can't hit Skye. I know. We're gonna be very careful. Come on, let's get it. Aim it super high. Okay, let's try to do it, Rocky. Let's shoot at him. Oh, we barely missed him. What was that? I thought I felt something fly right by me. Let's try one more time. What? What's happening? Why am I up here? Take to the sky. What's happening down here, Chase? Oh, we got him. Romeo took you up there and we couldn't get you, so we had to shoot you with our tennis ball cannon. Thank you guys so much. You got me. Woohoo! Yeah, we got you. And we got Romeo too. Oh, that tennis ball was so big. Woohoo! Good job, you guys.
Good job, Paw Patrol. You got Romeo and saved Skye. So now, let's see what's going to happen next. Hi, guys. Subscribe for more adventures with me, Marty. Zim, zam, shabam. Oh, look. Here's some videos you can watch. It's going to be super fun.